Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time of coming across my video, please don't make it your last time here. Consider subscribing, like, share, and most importantly turn on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I drop new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to prevent your zip from bulging after sewing. There are times you make fitted dresses and you find out it's very difficult for your zip to stay flat at the back. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to eliminate zip bulge or prevent your zip from bulging after sewing. So I have two different pattern paper drafted here. One is for a straight gown, a basic dress, and the other one is for a dress with half length with joining. Okay, so I have two methods here, and this method can be used for any kind of design. It can be used for a basic dress, and it can be used for a skirt or a dress with a joining with half length. Okay, so these two methods can be used for any kind of design. So we're going to start with a basic dress first, and I have a zipper allowance of 1.5. so it depends on your preference. You can decide to use whatever you decide to use is absolutely fine. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to go in by 0.5 on the waist point. We are going to go in by 0.5. Then we are going to take that point all the way up into the zip line in a slanted form. Like so. And we take it all the way down as well. So this new line is where we are going to start sewing our zip from. This line here is where we are going to start sewing our zip from, and we mark out the 1.5 inches we left for our zipper all the way from up down. Okay, so you go ahead and still mark the 1.5 inches or whatever inches you left for your zip allowance. You mark it all the way down. Then from that new line here, you place your tape and still mark the 1.5 inch. Okay, so make sure you place your tape on that new line you made, and you start marking the inches you left for your zipper. So this is how I'm going to take it all the way down. So after marking it all out, I'm going to go ahead and connect all the points together. So this area I'm going to cancel is where we are going to cut out from. This is the area we don't need. If you look at your back, you will see that your back is not straight, especially when you get to the waist point. You see how the place is inside, like the place went inside before you get to your hip points. So that was why we went in by 0.5 to eliminate our zip from bulging in that area. So that was the reason why we went in. So if you do this method, there's no way your dress will bulge out or your zip will bulge out after sewing. So I'll just go ahead and cut it out now. So this is how to go about the first method. So try this method and you are going to come back and testify if you've been having problem with your zip bulging out. If you do this, it's not going to be like that anymore. So you try it and then you come back and testify. So you see how slanted the zip is. This is how our back is. Our back is not straight. You can see on the waist point, look at how slanted it is. This is how our back is. So if you do this method, there's no way you have any problem with your zip. So do this method and come back and testify. All right. So we are done with the first method. We'll go ahead and do the second method. Now for the second method, I'm going to place my tape and come down by 1 inch on the skirt part. You come down by 1 inch, okay? And then you connect that 1 inch all the way to the dart line in a slanted form, like so. You do the same thing on the half length. You go up by 1 inch and then you connect it all the way to the dart line in a slanted form, like so. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. So as you can see, by the time you put them together, you can see that space there. By the time you take them together, you take that space you have, by the time you join them together like this, you're not going to have any problem on the waistline or with your zip bulging out on the waistline. So this is how to go about it. It's as simple as this, okay? So this is how to go about the fixing your zip. If you find this video very helpful, please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section and try this and come and tell me, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.